If you're on a mission to shed that stubborn belly fat, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 5 incredible foods readily available in households that can accelerate your weight loss journey. These foods, supported by both Ayurveda and modern studies, can make a significant impact. So, let's not waste any time and jump right in. Number 1. Hot water. Starting off with a simple yet potent ingredient, hot water. This zero-calorie drink is a game-changer for weight loss. Studies indicate that hot water aids in breaking down accumulated fat, making it easier for your digestive system to burn. It also activates your metabolism, promoting increased blood circulation and, subsequently, weight loss. Consider sipping hot water between meals to curb unhealthy cravings and detoxify your blood. Adding a dash of lemon juice not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts its cleansing properties. Aim for a temperature like your favorite tea and make hot water your go-to drink. Number 2. Amla Aloe Vera Ginger Juice. Now, let's talk about a powerful Ayurvedic combination, Amla Aloe Vera Ginger Juice. Packed with vitamin C, Amla boosts metabolism and reduces food cravings. Aloe vera, high in fiber, aids in blood sugar reduction, while ginger juice kickstarts metabolism and enhances fat burning. Combining these 3 creates a fat-melting concoction. Take 4 teaspoons of amla juice, mix it with aloe vera juice. With fiber, add a teaspoon of ginger juice and dilute it with equal parts water. Consume this powerhouse potion 1 hour before breakfast daily for 2 months to experience its transformative effects. Number 3. Barley. Next up is a 10,000-year-old superfood, barley. Known for its ability to dissolve accumulated fat, barley is high in both soluble and insoluble fiber. It not only aids in weight loss but also reduces bad cholesterol and regulates blood sugar levels. Incorporate barley into your diet through barley water, chapati, or dalia. With its stress-reducing properties, barley can contribute to better sleep, reduce stress eating, and enhanced fat burning. Try different forms and find what works best for you. Number 4. Cabbage. Moving on to a commonly overlooked hero, cabbage. Low in calories, high in fiber, and filled with water, cabbage is a potent weight loss food. It's known to clean your system effectively, keeping the hunger hormone in check and reducing calorie intake effortlessly. Consider incorporating cabbage into your dinner as soup or pre-dinner as a salad. With various ways to consume it, cabbage can play a significant role in your fat loss journey. Check out our cabbage soup recipe for added inspiration. Number 5. Mung bean. And now, the top contender for fat loss, mung bean. Light on the digestive system, high in fiber and protein, whole green mung bean is a weight loss powerhouse. Sprouting it enhances its effects, making it an ideal food for those on a fat loss journey. Try out a delicious mung bean chaat or mung bean dosa. If you're not a fan of sprouts, you can make a tasty salad with soaked mung bean. Make this versatile dal a regular part of your diet for a sustained impact on your weight loss. To recap, incorporating hot water, amla aloe vera ginger juice, barley, cabbage, and mung bean into your daily diet can significantly ease your fat loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay committed to your health goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other health and wellness content. See you in the next one, and remember, your health is your wealth.